How to customize notification sound on your WhatsApp using your iPhone. Go ahead and tap on the settings button. Make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. Scroll up to the base of this page. After you tap on setting, tap on apps. Now here tap on search for WhatsApp, or you tap on search button to locate WhatsApp from the list of apps you have here. Tap on it. Now that you tap on it, it comes up like this WhatsApp. Then tap on notification where you see banner and sun. Tap on it. Now make sure that this button is enabled. If it's toggle off, make sure you toggle it on your phone, and it comes up like this. Now you see sound here, guys. Then scroll up a bit until you see this button that says WhatsApp notification sound. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it will direct you to your WhatsApp. Now you have your option here. Then at the front, at the top of this page, you have notification. You have show notification. Then you have sound. Tap on this sound button. Once tap on the sound button, now you can customize the WhatsApp notification on your device. Tap on this and see. So you can see you can as well pick any of this one to be your WhatsApp notification sound. So that's all. Now tap on save button. Or tap on save button. So that's all, guys. You need to customize WhatsApp sound notification on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.